Welcome to Trillion X Travel. Today we are going to visit Verona's most famous shopping mall, Adigeo. Welcome to Adigeo, Verona's ultimate shopping and entertainment destination. Get ready to embark on an immersive journey through this sprawling complex, where every corner offers a new adventure waiting to be explored. Nestled in the heart of Verona, Adigeo stands as a beacon of modernity amidst the city's historic charm. Spanning an impressive 48,000 square meters, this architectural marvel is not just a mall, it's a vibrant community hub where locals and visitors alike come together to shop, dine, and be entertained. As we step inside, the grandeur of Adigeo unfolds before us. The meticulously designed interiors, adorned with sleek finishes and abundant natural light, create an inviting ambience that beckons us to discover what lies ahead. Venturing through the maze of corridors, we're greeted by a dazzling array of shops, each offering its own unique treasures. From high-end fashion boutiques showcasing the latest trends to quaint artisanal stores brimming with locally crafted goods, Adigeo truly offers something for everyone. With over 100 stores to explore, ranging from renowned international brands to emerging local talents, Adigeo is a paradise for discerning shoppers seeking quality and variety. But Adigeo isn't just about shopping and dining, it's also a hub of entertainment and relaxation. Lose yourself in the latest blockbuster at the state-of-the-art cinema, boasting 12 screens and cutting-edge sound technology that delivers an immersive viewing experience. For those seeking adrenaline-pumping thrills, the arcade offers a wide range of interactive games and attractions, perfect for gamers of all ages. Families will also love the dedicated play area, where little ones can climb, slide, and explore to their heart's content. Hungry? Adigeo has you covered with its diverse selection of dining options. Whether you're craving authentic Italian cuisine, exotic flavors from around the world, or classic comfort food favorites, Adigeo's culinary offerings are sure to tantalize your taste buds. With over 20 restaurants, cafes, and eateries to choose from, dining at Adigeo is a culinary journey that promises to delight and satisfy. Throughout the year, Adigeo plays host to a variety of events and activities that celebrate the rich cultural heritage of Verona. From fashion shows featuring the latest styles to live performances by local artists and musicians, there's always something exciting happening at Adigeo. With an average footfall of over 4 million visitors per year, Adigeo is not just a shopping destination, it's a vibrant cultural hub that brings people together to celebrate the best of Verona's lifestyle and entertainment scene. Did you know that Adigeo is not only a retail center but also an architectural masterpiece? Designed by renowned architects, the mall's modern aesthetic seamlessly blends with the historic surroundings of Verona, creating a unique and visually stunning environment for visitors to enjoy. In addition to its impressive size and design, Adigeo is committed to sustainability and environmental responsibility. The mall incorporates energy-efficient lighting, waste management systems, and green spaces to minimize its ecological footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. As we explore further, it's worth noting that Adigeo is not just a place to shop and dine, it's also a catalyst for economic growth and community development in Verona. The mall provides employment opportunities for thousands of people and supports local businesses, contributing to the overall prosperity of the city. Moreover, Adigeo's commitment to customer satisfaction is unparalleled. The mall offers a range of amenities and services to enhance the shopping experience, including ample parking, free Wi-Fi, and a dedicated customer service team to assist visitors with any inquiries or needs they may have. And let's not forget about Adigeo's commitment to cultural enrichment and social responsibility. The mall regularly hosts events and initiatives that celebrate Verona's cultural heritage and support charitable causes, demonstrating its dedication to giving back to the community. As we conclude our exploration of Adigeo, it's evident that this mall stands as a testament to Verona's spirit of innovation, sustainability, and community engagement. Beyond its role as a premier shopping and entertainment destination, Adigeo embodies a commitment to architectural excellence, environmental responsibility, and social impact. Through its thoughtful design, sustainable practices, and dedication to supporting local businesses and cultural initiatives, Adigeo has become more than just a mall. It's a symbol of Verona's dynamic evolution and progressive values. If you've enjoyed our tour of Adigeo and found it informative, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with our latest content. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Adigeo, and we look forward to welcoming you back soon. Until next time, may your adventures in Verona be filled with joy, discovery, and memorable moments. Happy exploring from Adigeo.